The forgery and criminal conspiracy charge against two lawyers, Muftau Ande, Dibiaezue Chuks, the branch manager of First Bank Kotako branch, the managing director of First Bank, before the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory. The defendants are accused, among others, of forging a tripartite legal mortgage without the consent of the proprietor of White Plain British School, Francis Nwufo, with intent to commit fraud and to dispossess him of his property. When the case was mentioned for arraignment, the defendants were absent. On inquiry by the court, the lawyer to the prosecution in Didi Ezinwe, Ukoha, says all the defendants were yet to be served with the charge. The trial judge, Jude Unwebweze, then adjourned the matter till May 8th for their arraignment. After the adjournment, the prosecution counsel briefed press.
Said the case is a case of criminal breach of trust, conspiracy, criminal conspiracy, and forgery against the parties, and that's why we are in court to address this issue, to know what is needful regarding the offences that have been committed. Actually, today in court, the defendants were not in court, and we have applied to get a hearing notice served on them in order to bring them to court for the arraignment. So the case was stated today for arraignment, actually, and they are nowhere to be found after being served. So we have taken the lead to do the needful and get them to be brought to court to face their trial.
The Federal Ministry of Justice alleged that the defendant committed a criminal breach of trust contrary to Section 311 of the Penal Code and punishable under Section 312 of the same law. Joseph Kadri, ITV News.